Hi guys, I'm here today to show you this gorgeous 3-bedroom semi-detached property over on Voltaire Avenue in Salford. So to the front we do have gated off-road parking leading into this porch area, really good space for shoes and storage. And then as we head on through the property, to the right we've got this gorgeous kitchen space, loads of natural light inside, super modern, the integrated appliances, breakfast bar there also, as well as a gas hob. Really good space in here. Throughout this property it is done to a really good standard. Also benefits from the downstairs bathroom, which does have a shower. And then as we head on through, have some understairs storage here, which does go all the way under and through to the open plan living and dining area. Really good space back here for family and entertaining. Really bright with the double doors there and the window. It is quite big furniture that's in here, so the property is a really good space. It's quite deceptively spacious, with the open staircase there. We do have a garden to the rear, which is super quiet and not overlooked at all. Does also have side access round to the front. Low maintenance and easy to keep on top of. Now as we head upstairs, you'll find 3 really good sized bedrooms, super modern bathroom. So the bathroom's the front of the property here. Storage space again, really well looked after, gorgeous 3-piece suite. We then have the second bedroom to the front of the property, loads of space for a double bed and large wardrobes there. Does overlook the front, but it is a super quiet road, rarely any passing traffic. And to the back of the property, we have the smallest of the 3 bedrooms here, but again, still a really good office space. Would fit a single bed in and some storage. And the master bedroom as well to the rear, which again is a really good space. Space for loads of storage and a really big bed. Does overlook the rear, which again is really quiet. You're not overlooked at all there. As I said, it is all done to a really good standard, this property. Had a boiler fitted within the last 10 months. All work is up to date. So if you would like a viewing, please give us a call. We'll get you booked in.